Hello guys, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 has revolutionized the vlogging world with its advanced filming capabilities, offering a perfect blend of performance and portability. Its compact design and high-quality output have made it the go-to choice for professional content creators and hobbyists. However, things are about to get even more exciting as DJI prepares to introduce the Osmo Pocket 4 in 2025. This next-generation camera is expected to bring significant improvements, making an already impressive device even better. Let's delve into all the potential upgrades the Osmo Pocket 4 might offer, and explore how it could become the ultimate vlogging camera. The impact of the Osmo Pocket series. What sets the Osmo Pocket series apart is its compactness and unique gimbal mechanism, which allows for incredibly stable footage even while on the move. The current Osmo Pocket 3 features a larger sensor, capturing high-quality images with excellent dynamic range and vibrant colors. The upcoming Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to retain this core design philosophy while introducing several exciting enhancements. Potential upgrades in the Osmo Pocket 4. Improved camera resolution. One of the most anticipated upgrades in the Osmo Pocket 4 is the increase in resolution from 4K to 5.4K. While casual users may not notice a significant difference, professional creators who demand higher resolution for post-production flexibility will appreciate this improvement. Paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to deliver stunning dynamic range, vibrant colors, and exceptional low-light performance, making it an ideal tool for capturing cinematic quality footage. Enhanced low-light capabilities. Low-light performance has always been a key concern for vloggers, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to take this to the next level. With an improved sensor and better noise reduction algorithms, users can expect crisper and cleaner images, even in challenging lighting conditions. This upgrade will be a game-changer for travel vloggers and content creators who often shoot in dimly lit environments. Upgraded processor for better optimization. A new processor is rumored to be included in the Osmo Pocket 4. This processor is aimed at enhancing overall performance, optimizing power consumption, and reducing noise in footage. This upgrade will not only improve video processing speeds but also enhance color accuracy and image stabilization, ensuring a more seamless shooting experience. Larger and more flexible display. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature a larger 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen, an upgrade from its predecessor's display. This screen will likely offer a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels with a maximum brightness of 800 nits, providing excellent visibility even under bright sunlight. Whether you're framing shots or adjusting settings on the fly, this improved display promises effortless usability and crystal-clear visuals. However, past issues with the rotating mechanism of the display have been a concern for many users. DJI is reportedly working on refining the design to eliminate issues such as the screen getting stuck or not rotating fully. Firmware updates have been a temporary solution, but a redesigned hinge mechanism in the Osmo Pocket 4 could provide a more reliable experience. Advanced stabilization system. Stabilization has always been a strong suit of the Osmo Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 is expected to take it up a notch. The rumored refined 3-axis mechanical gimbal will ensure buttery smooth footage, whether you're running, biking, or walking. Additionally, DJI is expected to introduce Active Track 7.0, which could feature enhanced phase detection and eye tracking, allowing the camera to intelligently follow subjects in even the most dynamic situations. Extended battery life. Battery life is a crucial factor for vloggers who shoot for extended periods, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to see a substantial improvement. The current Osmo Pocket 3 offers up to 2.5 hours of shooting time, but the upcoming model is rumored to extend this to an impressive 200 minutes. This extended battery life will make the Osmo Pocket 4 an ideal companion for travel vlogging and long shooting sessions without frequent recharging. Improved audio quality. Audio quality is often overlooked in compact cameras, but the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to feature improved built-in microphones with better noise cancellation and higher sensitivity. This will ensure clearer audio capture, reducing the need for external microphones in most situations. Enhanced wind noise reduction could also make it a reliable choice for outdoor shooting. Expanded connectivity options. Connectivity is another area where the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to shine. Rumors suggest the inclusion of faster Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring quicker file transfers and more stable connections with smartphones and other devices. This will make it easier to live stream directly from the camera, transfer footage to editing software, and control the camera remotely with minimal latency. Additional shooting modes and AI features. DJI is known for integrating smart features into its cameras, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to include more AI-driven shooting modes. These may include automated time-lapse, hyperlapse, and cinematic mode enhancements. AI-driven scene recognition could allow the camera to automatically adjust settings based on the environment, providing the best possible results with minimal effort. 10. Enhanced accessories and modularity. DJI might introduce a range of new accessories to complement the Osmo Pocket 4, such as improved tripods, external lenses, and modular attachments. These accessories could offer more flexibility for creators looking to expand the capabilities of their cameras for various shooting scenarios. Final thoughts. With its blend of enhanced design, improved performance, and smarter features, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 promises to be a standout in the portable camera market. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or creating professional-grade content, this camera is set to elevate your creativity to new heights. What upgrades would you love to see in the upcoming Osmo Pocket 4? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tech news.